Try to clean these headlights. So here's the before. I mean, they're jacked. Look how fogged up these things are, man. Video doesn't even do it justice. I'm gonna use this stuff. No tools required, all Scamazon. Fine Chinesium. So this image is taken after step 2. Step 1 was wiping with the provided oxidation wipes. Step 2 is using a little sanding pad here with the red disc, and then moving to the gray silver disc. So 2 stages of sanding, small circular motion. They do look cloudier, and that's what it says is going to happen. But as you will see, I've done this before. Super clouded. They will clear up with step 3. And check out the difference after stage 3, and they're not even dry yet. But it's like glass, dude. Freaking OEM factory finish there. Look at that. Perfectly clear. Absolutely gorgeous. Crystal clean. And I did this on my mom's car not too long ago, and it totally kept for a year. We'll see how long it lasts, but there you go guys. Like 17 bucks, dude, to get your headlights golden.